Looking to keep your iPhone 15 Pro Max safe from drops, spills, and underwater adventures? Hey everybody, welcome back. BTM here. Now today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Ghostek Nautical Case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We'll be covering everything from first impressions to design, build quality, and how well this case protects your device. By the end of this video, you will know if this case is worth adding to your gear. Let's check it out. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Now, the Ghostek Nautical Case arrived in this solid premium looking box. Inside the box, you get the case itself, you get some paperwork, instruction manual, and sticker. You get a lanyard, and you also get belt clip. Now, fitting the iPhone 15 Pro Max into the case is pretty straightforward. You just align it up and you snap it all the way around to make sure that it's totally snapped together and fitted properly. The black and gray trim gives it a tough look, but it's not too bulky, which is great for everyday use. The case is made from a mixture of TPU and polycarbonate materials, giving it both flexibility and strength. It's available in several options to match your style. Now, this one that I'm reviewing is matte black with a transparent back, which lets the phone design shine through. The build feels robust without being too heavy. Now, this case boasts a IP68 water resistant rating, meaning that it can be submerged into 6 feet of water for up to an hour. It also has been drop tested up to 12 feet military grade certification. So not only is it a waterproof case, but it also has a military grade certification, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, or just clumsy folks like me. The ports are sealed to keep the water and the dust out, and the built-in screen protector offers full protection while still allowing for touch sensitivity. Accessibility buttons and ports are really nice. The tactile feedback that you get from the buttons are surprisingly responsive, and you also have easy access to the charging port if you need to get to it, and you can also set it back so it has a waterproof seal on it. Those of you who use wireless charger, you'll be happy to know that this case is fully compatible with Qi charging, so no need to remove the case if you want to recharge it. As far as the lanyard is concerned, I never use the lanyard, but if you want to use it, you can. The belt clip is really high quality, and like I said, it's a little unique. It has this expandable grip here with plastic to protect your case, but at the same time you can slide a belt through it and it's going to fit pretty nicely. Now, you can use it as a stand as well, as you can see. So the Ghostek Nautical Case offers solid protection with a sleek design. It's waterproof, drop resistant, and has military grade toughness. Plus, it's surprisingly slim for such a protective case. Cons. On the downside, The case has a bit of weight, and the lanyard, while useful, may not be for everyone. So, who is this case for? Well, this case is perfect for anyone who's active, works outdoors, or just want a peace of mind that their iPhone is protected in almost any situation. And at this price point, I'd say that it's a great investment. If you're serious about keeping your iPhone 15 Pro Max safe, this might be the case for you. Thanks for watching. Now, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, hit that bell for my next video when it drops. And if you're curious about more iPhone accessories, check out that video up there somewhere.